Hey guys, Jaffry Ward here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make $75 just for clicking. This is really simple, easy to do, and it is international. For the international users, you're going to have to get a VPN, but we'll go more into detail about that at the end of the video. You want to make sure you stay all the way until the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, we talk about different ways to make money online for free PayPal money. If you want to earn money online, this is the exact channel that you need to be on. This is the exact channel you need to be subscribed to, and you also want to hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video on anything about making money online. This method that I'm going to talk to you guys is really simple. It's free to get started with, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Also, if you enjoyed this content, I want to hear you guys comments below. So comment, I want to make more money, in the comment section below this video for a prize. I select around 1 to 2 people per video to give a prize to. So if you want to be one of those people, type in I want to make money online in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and get started. This is based on a plan called My Points. Now the My Points link will be in the description below. When you sign up through my link, you're going to get a 250 point bonus when you earn over 750 points, which you're going to earn over 750 points if you follow my methods correctly. So this is just a way for you guys to earn some extra money. So let me go ahead and show you this way. So it's basically a get paid to site. So you get paid to do things like couponing, surveys, deals. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. But you know, you basically get paid points by doing that, and then you're able to turn those points into either free cash from PayPal or either gift cards. Now, I know a lot of you guys are outside of the US. So if you guys are outside of the US, of course you want to get the PayPal. But if you guys are inside of the US and you want to, let's say, redeem some other gift cards like Amazon. Also, oh my bad, people who are outside of the US might want to do Amazon. If you want to do Amazon, Burger King, any of these, I mean, it's completely fine. Once you earn over 500 points, you're then able to come in here and basically get any gift card that you want. You're going to probably, 500 points is worth around $5. Okay, so I mean, it's a whole lot of stuff in here that you can choose from. I suggest, if you're a person that's in the US and you shop at some of these places, I suggest you put a whole lot of time in this. I have some people that are currently and I know this because I get these bonuses pretty much all the time. So I have people that are earning around when you refer somebody, you get 10% of what they refer. It doesn't come from their actual points, but it's just a bonus that My Points is giving you, just basically for saying thank you. So you earn 10%, you get a 10% bonus of whatever they make. So this person is making around 170 points per day, and so I know this is possible. I know a lot of people can do this, and I know a lot of people can actually make this a goal of theirs. So let me go back to the PayPal gift card because I want you guys, let me go to redeem points, excuse me. And let me just tell you what's my goal for you guys. I want you guys to make 3 of these per week, which is 3,970 points. How are you going to get there? Okay. First of all, you're going to go over to the survey section. Now, before you do a survey, you get 5 points for every 10 questions you answer. So basically, you just opening these up and you basically just clicking and answering these questions. You clicking and answering these survey questions. So you can come over here. You can do this however many times you want to. They have a lot of questions in here. You earn 5 points for every 10 questions. Okay. And also on this side right here, you earn a big amount of money, not a big amount of money, a big amount of points for filling out these surveys. Okay, so I don't want you to get too hung up on surveys, but if you're gonna keep doing the 5 points for every 10 questions, you might as well come around here and do a couple of these surveys and earn around 300 to 400 points, and that's going to get you started. In order to get through, like I said, 3 of those $25 PayPal gift cards, you have to earn 1,900 points per day. So that's how you break it down. I actually did it on my calculator right here. If you earn 1,900 points per day, you're going to get 13,300 points at the end of the week. And if you divide that by 3,970, which it costs to get a $25 payout in PayPal, you're going to be able to get 3. Okay, so in 3 times 25 is 75. So that's basically where I got that number from. Okay, so you want to be earning around 1,900 points per day in order to keep up with that. Okay, so you basically, come over here, you click on these, you answer these questions, you come in here, you click this as many times as you can. Sometimes they have little bonuses if you keep on answering these, but the more you answer these, the more you're going to qualify for these. And these is basically doing little surveys and you're basically just clicking. Okay, but also they have a list of deals in here that you can do. And trial play from AdGate to offer Turo, AdGem. You come in here and basically just come in here and click on some of these items and basically sign in with your email, sign up for your email and confirm your email, and actually gets a whole bunch of points by doing that. So if I go to trial play, I'm going to give it a wait. I'm giving a second to load up. Most of these, basically you're just seeing which ones work for you. Sometimes you can just do a little gift card right here, register to receive a reward. You earn 100 points for doing that. This is basically just entering your email, signing up for this computer and mobile panel, which is 100 points. You just download the software. So it's a whole lot of offers in here. A free Hershey's gift card, 100 points right here. So I'm giving you, if you do around maybe, let's say, I'm going to pull up my calculator. Let's say you do 7 of the $100, not $100, the 100 points offers, and it's basically just entering your email and confirm your email. That's 700 points right there. And let's say you earn around, 1,200 doing some other stuff in here, doing some of these other ones in Revenue Universe, all this other stuff. They tell you how much you can earn. Like this one, you can earn up to 5,000 points, really per day, and even more if you put in a lot more work. But you can just split it up. Whichever one has the best offers is the easiest offers, where you just basically enter your email. You basically want to do those every single day. They refresh them every single day. You want to continuously do those until you get to 1,900 points. You can also do coupons. You earn points just for printing coupons. And you can also watch videos and play games. These are a little bit longer forms of a way of earning money. If you have something like a automatic clicker or automatic video player or something like that, or some type of software that can do that, then you come in here and you can just set that up and just let it play. Okay. But most of the times you're going to get the most points by doing these little offer deals and also doing the little survey part right here. So that's all I got for you guys. I wanted to explain this. I'll leave a link to my points in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Go ahead and check out some other videos on the side, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.